KTM News, Marvin Musquin and Red Bull KTM back on the podium at Indianapolis SX 2022. Please subscribe our channel, thank you for your support. The Red Bull KTM factory racing team had a positive night in Indianapolis for round 11 of the AMA Supercross Championship, where Marvin Musquin fought his way back to the podium with a third-place finish in the 450 SX main event. Feeling the effects from a hard crash last weekend, teammate Cooper Webb rallied through injury to score a top 5 finish despite some of the most technical race conditions of the season. Musquin found himself battling different elements throughout the day, but he was able to lock in a top 10 position in the day's qualifying. He placed his KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition into second off the start of 450 SX Heat 1, making a brief pass for the lead early on. Battling in second for most of the race, Musquin was on track to secure a second-place transfer, but he tipped over in the sand section with 1 lap to go, costing him a couple spots for fourth. With a top 5 start in the main event, Musquin found himself immersed in a pack of top riders who were all battling for podium contention early on. He took advantage of the chaos ahead of him to swiftly overtake third midway through, and he set a late race charge to pressure the second-place rider into the final moments. He came within striking distance but wasn't able to make it happen, ultimately securing his second podium of the season in third. Marvin Musquin said, "I love these conditions and I love this place, but I knew coming in that this year in Indy it was going to be tough. It was a tough day, I'm not going to lie, but I was there when it counts. In those conditions, you have to be smart and you can't override this track. I was being so patient, while trying to be consistent, precise and not make any mistakes, and I was able to pass Malcolm and get third tonight. It was awesome, I'm really happy." Riding injured with a bone contusion in his shoulder and a fracture in his hand, defending 450 SX champion Cooper Webb was a warrior all day long. In 450 SX Heat 2, Webb secured a third-place start and he raced his KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition in the podium battle early on. He eventually settled into fourth, preserving himself with a comfortable pace to earn a fourth-place transfer into the main. As the gate dropped for the main event, Webb found himself back in ninth off the start and he quickly worked his way to just outside the top 5 early on. He grinded lap after lap to put himself into a favorable position late in the race. Sitting in 6th with 4 laps to go, Webb inherited the 5th place spot and made a big charge to finish only 0.485 seconds shy of 4th place. Cooper Webb said, "Today wasn't great feeling wise, I'm in a lot of pain but just getting through it. I kind of saved it all for that main event and I'm glad I was able to get through it. I had a good ride but I wish I would have had a better start to be in the mix. It was tough riding and not being able to do some obstacles, but we fought in there. My goal was top 5 tonight and I achieved that. I was right there for 4th and it felt good. We were close to that podium, which is all I can ask for." Next race, 2022 March 26th, Seattle, Washington. Results are available in the description. Thank you for watching us. Please subscribe our OKR Moto YouTube channel. OKR Moto is an KTM Authorized dealer and service since year 2003 based in Slovakia. For more KTM related news with international subtitles, please check our playlist. Link is available in the description of this video. Thank you for your support and subscription.